Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I am making a traveler's notebook spread using the Sunny Memories collection by Pretty Little Studio. And as always, I'm going to keep it super simple. I try to draw everything from the photos. So since my daughter is dressed as Twilight Sparkle, there's a lot of purple and pink. So I thought the Sunny Memories collection was perfect for this. I do love that I'm starting to see a bit more purple in the scrapbooking world because I love purple. I think that for years it has been neglected. I'm using my guillotine to cut out a very simple mat. I'm going to keep it simple because I have a busy background. That's why I'm going to eventually ignore the clear that I have in there, the hearts. I divide my Pretty Little Studio collections using the clear envelopes that you can see on the bottom left. I'm gonna have them linked below because they're perfect for it. They don't fit 12 by 12 paper, which I don't mind because I always buy the 8 by 8 paper pads. I prefer the smaller patterns, and I mostly do Project Life, so I haven't bought too much 12 by 12 papers. And my plan was to do something very simple on the right and do a bunch of cluster words on the right. So I'm looking through this die cut pack that has a few words, and I also wanted something extra to put on the right. I'm gonna use the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus to glue everything down. And I'm gonna have a border around the traveler's notebook. And I'm gonna cut this waffle flower crafts die cut in two. I just wanted something really simple and delicate. So I've been obsessed with this die lately, so I just thought that it would be a cool idea. And then I'm just gonna add one die cut on top of her photo. And now I'm gonna start looking through the word die cuts and cutouts and stickers to see what I'm gonna put on the left. And I'm gonna have all the products that I can link below so you can check it out. This collection, by the way, is 50% off right now, and I recommend it so much. I love these colors, and they also have these super tiny phrases that are perfect for Project Life. And I'm also using two items from the collection Tales and Dreams, also by Zinia. And I think I'm gonna end up not using these word flags because I wanted to stick to, let me see, I have it right next to me. Yeah, I only use the ones from Sunny Memories because I wanted to keep using one type of font with these word flags. Also the colors match a little bit better. And I'm gonna skip through a bunch of this cutting, but I do love the word flags. I am awful at fussy cutting, but awful to a degree that it's not known to humans. But I do love the word flags and the labels because they are really easy to cut. And I'm gonna start placing them around, playing with alternating colors, make sure they don't overlap, that a blue is not in the blue triangle, and things like that. So I'm gonna shuffle a bunch. And I'm gonna leave some spaces between the word flags because I'm gonna glue down the die cut words and the word flags, and then I'm gonna add the stickers to cover those spaces. And also I use some little word stickers from Tales and Dreams, which are perfect also for Project Life, and they're really pretty, colorful and bright, which is just my style. And also Melissa told me recently that the things I order from Cat Smarting new collection we're gonna ship, and I am so excited. That collection also has purple and is so fun. It has a bunch of cool elements. Cat also has boys, so there are a lot of elements that you can use if you're a mom of boys. I know that it's sometimes a little bit tricky to find products that are not incredibly girly or just geared towards dinosaurs and soccer balls. So that one is really fun. If you haven't checked it out, I'm gonna put the link to the Pretty Little Studio shop below, so you can check it out and pre-order it, and also take advantage of the 50% off going on in Sunny Memories collection. And always you get, I think that when you hit $25 you get a freebie from the shop. I think they have, well, I do know they have a monthly free product that they ship once you reach that price. And like I did with the die cut boards, I'm just trying to alternate colors and sizes. I'm just trying to fill out those very tiny spaces with these word stickers. And I love these word stickers so much that I think I have 3 packs of them, and I don't mind at all. They work for everything. It's probably one of my top 5 favorite products of Pretty Little Studio ever. And even though it's called Sunny Memories, you don't have to use it for only beach or summer theme things. It has a lot of just memories and lovely day and you're my favorite, things like that. And I wanted to add 3 die cuts around that. I didn't want to add way too much because you already have a lot going on with the background, with all the words, with the photo, with the die. So I thought that these small flowers just hiding around the words would be perfect. And I'm gonna look through my enamel dot stash and just quickly find ones. I love these. I think they're from Fancy Pants Designs. They're quite old, but I like them. They're like flat. They're better quality. I don't know how to explain it. And I wanted to add 3 enamel dots, and that's why the bottom photo, the flower, has an enamel dot that is not really in the center like the other ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you're staying healthy and having an amazing day. Bye.